April 12th, 2022, in northwest Iowa. By far the most insane chase day of my entire life.
All right, we got a storm. I am in a really good position. I'm to the north, and I'm just going a little bit east right now to get in front. Just based off of the tops of the storm, it looks really good. Let's do this. We're getting some CGs right now. That's a good sign, something you want to see.
Cloud-to-ground lightning indicates a strengthening storm. All signs were showing that this storm was going to be the storm of the day. I repositioned myself to be in front of the storm and have visual on the updraft base, because the updraft base is where a tornado would form.
Man, the inflow is just screaming into this storm. Crazy.
What once was an immature storm was now a full-blown supercell, capable of producing a tornado.
Potential funnel cloud. This thing might do it right in front of me. Oh man, look at that motion.
I started to get the feeling that this storm was going to produce a tornado very soon, and I was right. There was a developing tornado heading right towards me, so I ran away. And then this happened.
Oh, look at this thing behind me. There it is. Oh my god, what am I doing? There it is. Oh wow. Holy. We gotta get good views of this. Oh my god. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. Look at this thing. Wow. This could be a long track tornado. Alright, we got a car coming up.
As I followed Pi down the road, the most insane sequence of events happened to me.
This is crazy. There's stuff flying across the road. Whoa, am I?
First, I was nearly hit by a falling tree.
Holy sh!
Somehow my vehicle sustained 0 damage. Immediately after, I recorded Pi getting hit by lightning, a once-in-a-lifetime shot.
A tree literally just came flying into my car. Branches hit me. Yeah, I'm right behind you. Yeah. No way.
The lightning strike killed his Prius. We were both in shock and had no idea what to do. We decided to continue the chase, and Pi hopped into my car. The strike that hit Pi's car caused us to fall behind the main storm. We dropped south to another storm that was forming. This storm had some of the most incredible lightning I've ever seen. I was thinking, maybe it's my turn to get struck by lightning.